Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of research methods. In today's video, we'll be delving into the realm of qualitative research, uncovering the various methods that allow researchers to gain rich insights into people's experiences, perceptions, and behaviors. So, grab a pen and paper, and let's dive in. First up, we have the focus group. Imagine a room filled with diverse individuals engaging in a lively discussion, sharing their opinions, and bouncing ideas off one another. Focus groups are an excellent way to gather qualitative data by tapping into the collective wisdom of a group. Researchers can explore participants' attitudes, beliefs, and motivations on a specific topic, while also observing the dynamics and interactions within the group. Next, we have role play. This method allows researchers to create simulated scenarios, where participants act out specific roles and engage in different social contexts. By stepping into the shoes of others, participants can provide valuable insights into how individuals might respond or behave in various situations. Role play is particularly useful in fields such as psychology, sociology, and education. Direct observation is another powerful tool in the qualitative researcher's toolbox. Instead of relying on participants' self-reports, researchers directly observe and record behaviors, interactions, and environmental factors. This method provides a unique opportunity to capture natural, real-time data without any biases introduced through interviews or questionnaires. Moving on to in-depth interviews, this method involves one-on-one conversations between the researcher and the participant. Unlike surveys with closed-ended questions, in-depth interviews allow for open-ended discussions, enabling participants to share their thoughts, feelings, and experiences in great detail. It's through these personal narratives that researchers gain deep insights into individual perspectives. Narrative research is a method that focuses on individuals' life stories or personal accounts. Researchers analyze and interpret these narratives to uncover the underlying themes, meanings, and experiences within them. This approach is particularly useful in understanding how individuals construct their identities, navigate challenges, and make sense of their lives. Ethnography, a method often associated with anthropology, involves immersing oneself in a particular culture or community. Researchers spend extended periods of time observing and interacting with individuals in their natural settings. This method allows for a holistic understanding of the social, cultural, and contextual factors that shape people's lives. Now let's explore the case study method. Researchers use this method to closely examine a particular individual, group, or phenomenon. They collect data from various sources, such as interviews, observations, and documents, to provide a comprehensive and detailed analysis. Case studies are often used in fields like psychology, medicine, and business to gain a deep understanding of unique situations. Grounded theory is an approach that focuses on developing theories from the data itself. Researchers start with open-ended questions and systematically analyze the data to identify concepts and patterns. Through constant comparison and refinement, theories emerge that are grounded in the participants' perspectives and experiences. Lastly, we have phenomenology, a research method that explores the lived experiences of individuals. Phenomenologists seek to understand the essence of a phenomenon by examining individuals' subjective experiences and perspectives. This approach allows researchers to uncover the deeper meanings and understandings that individuals derive from their own experiences. And that wraps up our exploration of qualitative research methods. From focus groups to phenomenology, each method offers its unique strengths in uncovering the complexities of human behavior and lived experiences. Which of these methods resonates with you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest research-related content. Until next time, happy researching.